After you complete a run or ride, your Garmin device gives you immediate insight into its effectiveness and how it fits into your overall training plan. Your device analyzes your heart rate, your speed or power, and the structure of your workout to automatically identify that workout's primary benefit. This primary benefit is shown with the training effect data. For example, your plan may include anaerobic work, high aerobic work, and low aerobic work. Anaerobic workouts involve multiple intervals above VO2 max pace. These are very fast efforts that develop anaerobic capacity and raw speed. High aerobic workouts range from sustained, moderately hard efforts up to intervals done near your VO2 max pace. These are divided into 3 subcategories in order of increasing intensity: tempo, threshold, and VO2 max. Low aerobic activities are easy efforts that build base aerobic capability and help recovery after workouts. The Training Load Focus feature tells you how much training you have accumulated in each category over the previous 4 weeks and identifies what has been the major focus of your training or where you have a significant deficiency. For example, if you aren't logging much low aerobic training, you'll see that you should add easy runs or rides to bring your training into better balance. This helps you find opportunities to improve your performance based on your goals and where you are in your training cycle. And it helps ensure that, come race time, you're right where you want to be.